guys, welcome to yet another video. Today I'm going to show you the AP collection. Some special pieces here, from skeletons to the normal beginners AP. We'll start through one by one, we'll go through them and I'll tell you a little bit about them. So you've got here the 15400 ST, followed by the grey and the blue. These are all the same models, all 15400 references, just different dial colours. They vary from around 45 to 50,000. If you're going for a more of a blue dial, you may pay in excess of around 70,000 in today's market. After that, you've got something special. You've got the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Chronograph. This is a 38mm with the grey Rhodium dial. This is a special watch. Don't see this so much. You probably won't see this from another dealer in London. So in the last sort of year, I'd say this was around 25 to 30,000. This is now in excess around 60 to 65,000. Special piece, really nice. And then we go again with something more special. You've got the stainless steel AP Royal Oak Chronograph on the rubber. This is the Pride of Italy edition, which is a limited pieces of around 500, I believe. They will be in excess of probably around 60,000 now. Many of you have probably seen these before. The Royal Oak Offshore Chronograph. This is what they call the elephant. This is a custom Horus bracelet on this. It does come with a hornback leather strap. We used to buy these for fun. Go back 4 or 5 years ago, I was buying these all day long and just taking the dial out, taking the inner bezel out and diamond setting them. 20 to 25,000. This is the AP Royal Oak Foundation model. 400 pieces worldwide, I believe, but very, very, very limited. So this piece was added to our collection probably around 10 years ago now. Paid not a lot for it at all. At the time it was quite expensive, but when you compare it to now, it's actually a very fair price. I think we see one online with no box or papers. I think it's around £100,000 mark. Flipping it up a little bit, this is the AP Royal Oak Jumbo Ultra Thin 39mm. Probably, in my opinion, one of the best bracelets to have. Sorry, the best sort of fit on the wrist, due to its sort of slim nature. Skeleton case back as well. This is a stunning watch. These are now probably anything from around 100 to 125,000 depending on the year and the condition. But this is a stunning watch. So this is a special piece, the white gold frosted Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Chronograph. A stunning watch. Agreed, it's definitely not for every day. We've had this watch now for around, we've had this watch now for around 2 years, maybe a little less. We've never worn it. That's how it's retained its sharpness, and obviously I wouldn't like to think of, if this bracelet dinked or got scratched, I wouldn't like to think of how much it would cost to repair it. Not saying that should put off the end user, but from a sale perspective, we just don't want to wear it because we don't want to damage it because it is for sale. 200 pieces worldwide. I mean, look at the purple dial. What's actually available worldwide, this is probably one of the rarest. This is worn by the likes of Kevin Hart, LeBron James, Mark Wahlberg, them sort of figures. So like big Hollywood players are sort of have managed to sort of get this watch, but it's just what a watch. And then after that, you've got something very special again. So this is the black ceramic AP Royal Oak Perpetual calendar. We had the white ceramic version of this in lockdown, and we were asking, like, I think we sold it for 125,000, 135,000. You'll pay today for one of these around £250,000 to £300,000. A real nice watch. Not just one, we're reluctant to sell, but if the right bid's there, we'll sell it. The stainless steel Royal Oak Skeleton. A very, very, very desirable piece. Today's price, 220,000 plus. So popular. It has been around for around 8 to 10 years now. This is actually a 2021 with boxing papers, unworn, really, really sharp. These were 12 years ago. These were 12 years ago. These were like 30,000. Back when the base model, like this one here, I spoke about earlier, was around 8 to 10. That was 35. So you're thinking, well, it weren't that much difference compared to how it is now. But then 35, 12 years ago, you could have got Pateks, you could have got any Daytona, you could have got any Rolex, you could have got a platinum Daytona, you could have got lots. People was probably thinking, well, I can get a platinum Daytona for 30,000. Well, I'm going to spend 35,000 on a stainless steel watch. For the people who did, congratulations, you've done well. For the people who didn't and hunted hard here, unfortunately, yeah, you could have been sitting on a nice little sort of gold mine there. But again, very popular, available today with boxing papers. So along with this one, we've also got this one. So I'm sure you've seen this on the channel and on the page on Instagram. A lot of people was like, well, why are you paying so much for a sticker, for one sticker on a watch? But it's not just always about the sticker. This isn't just a sticker that goes over it, what anyone can put on it. This is a seal put on there by AP. So the seal goes all the way around past the clasp. You can't actually open it. So as well as being unworn, the clasp has never been opened. It's never been put on the wrist. It's been kept in a safe for so long. It's a shame that obviously it hasn't been worn, but this is part of the game. This is it. There's millions of watches out there with stickers and seals on them. It means a lot. Again, that is available if the price is right. It's nice to have in the collection. It's a shame we can't wear it, but it's still nice. Last but not least, I thought I'd save this one to last because it's a special piece. Absolute mint condition, completely sharp. The rose gold Audemars Piguet Skeleton, 41mm. This is just an absolute toll. These were like 50 to 60 once upon a time. Now in excess of around 275 to 300,000. So that, guys, finishes off this video for the AP collection. Again, 80–90% of these are for sale. So if you like any, please get in touch. But what's your favourite one? What would you like to wear and why? If I'm choosing any in here at the moment for an everyday wear, I'm probably going to choose the stainless steel Skeleton. And then as a party watch, probably go for the frosted. I know you're probably looking at that, but come on, find me another one. Show me another dealer who's probably got one of these in the UK. They haven't. So yeah, let me know what you like, let me know what you fancy, and that is Trotters AP collection.